Number 14 says if a pound of coffee costs $10, how many ounces can be bought for 5? I would just set up a proportion. This one is pretty linear. You can probably see it from the beginning. So we want to convert and have the same unit. So 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So I'm going to put 16 ounces over the cost, which is $10. So 1 pound. We want to know how many ounces could we get for 5. Okay, so since 5 is exactly half of 10, if we divide by 2, we get 5. We can also look at this and divide by 2, we would get x equals 8. Okay, or you can just cross multiply. You can multiply by 5. And if you do 5 times 16 and divide by 10, so 16 times 5, and then we would divide by 10. Just show you that calculation, same thing. 16 times 5 will get 80. And then you take 80 and you divide by 10, and you get 8. So it's the same. So that one's pretty linear, pretty straightforward. And then we want to find the product of 2 whole numbers. That is 330. Their sum is 31. Okay, so this time I'm also going to do the guess and check method. I think that'll get you there a little bit faster and probably makes a little bit more sense. This time though, I'm going to kind of start in the middle and I'm going to work my way out from the middle. So I can't really split 61 in half, but the closest I can get is 30 and 31. Okay, so from there, I'm going to take this number down, and as I take it down, this one's going to go up and vice versa. So I'll say 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. I'm going to go 5 in either direction. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the 30. So since this one was coming up, well, going down as I go up, this one will be going up. So this will be 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and then this one will be going down from the top. So this one is counting up as we go down. This one's counting down as we go down. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. Okay, so let's just try a couple of these. I'm going to try 25 and 36 and just see what that number looks like. I might have to go smaller. So 25 times 36 is 900, pretty big. So let's make a few smaller numbers. So that's one column. So I'll do 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Hopefully within here we can get it. And so this one would start at 37. That was counting down, we'll count up. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Okay, so I'm going to drop all the way down here to 15 and 46 and see what that number looks like. Okay, that's 690. So it's still pretty big. That means I probably should have just started from the beginning because these numbers are a lot bigger than what we need, and they're still going down, and I need to be around 330. Okay, so I'm gonna go below 15. So let me just start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we are wanting to add to get 61. So that means this would be 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 4. So I'm going to look at these multiples of 5. Since the number ends in 0, I'm going to be checking out 5 and 56, 6 and 55, see if those get us there. 5 times 56 is 280. 6 times 55, that's 330. So this is the one that we need. Okay. So 6 and 55. 6 and 55. All right, so that'll complete the problem solving section 1.3.